you ever make corn on the cob in an air fryer? Me neither. Today I'm going to. I forget what brand this is. Cook's Essentials. I like the color, that's all. Take the corn. I'm going to go with 4 cobs. I'm going to spray them with olive oil cooking spray. Both sides. I mean, top and bottom. How's that? I think if we put butter on them right now, it would probably burn. I'm going to use Heath Riles Cajun Creole Garlic Butter Barbecue and Grilling Seasoning and Rub that our buddy Diamond Jim sent to us. I've been using it on popcorn and stuff like that, but I think it's going to be good on here. And you could put whatever seasoning you like on yours, or none at all. You could just use salt and pepper, or paprika, or garlic, whatever you like. And you can add more of this at the end, or whatever seasonings you like. I like this stuff. And we're going to put it in here for 15 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's see. 370, 400 for 15 minutes. Go. And about 7 minutes, I'm going to open it up and turn them over. Okay? Because it's not a rotisserie. And we don't want them to get too burned on one side. It's going to be quick and good. Alright, it's starting to smell real barbecue-y. And it's only been, what is that, 6 minutes? Yeah. So I'm going to look at it now. Oh, okay. It ain't burnt yet. It looks good. It smells delicious. I'm going to go with my original plan. When I'm down to 7 minutes, I'm going to turn them over. Hopefully it's going to be toasty and good. You ever have fried corn on the cob? Did I deep fry it already? I might have deep fried it already. I have to look that up. I think I did. Sometimes I even melt cheese on it. What do you think of that? We're at 7 minutes. Delumptious. Let's just roll them over, okay? More seasoning? I don't think so. You can put it on at the end. Make it however you want at the end. Alright. Nice. I can't wait. It's going to be good. One minute remaining. This is my turquoise egg. Got a fancy eating plate. Oh, it must be done. It's cooling down, maybe. Let's hear it beep. You gonna beep? I hears ya. The time has come. Smells so good. Doesn't it? Oh, air fried corn on the cob. Let's get them out on a nice looking plate here. Melt some butter on them. Don't they look nice? Oh, yes. I didn't add salt or pepper because of the seasoning that I added here. But I'm going to add some butter. I'm getting a new air fryer in a couple days. Stay tuned for that. A smart air fryer. Wi-Fi. Ain't that going to be nice? Let this cool for a little bit so I can eat it without burning my teeth. Alright. Wasn't that good? You should smell it. Oh. Yarn on the yob. You call me names when I use these, don't you? Like a wimp. She don't like when I use these.
I don't mind.
Look it. Still buttery. Now you can put more of your seasoning on if you like. I like. Heath Riles. Hope I'm saying that right. We love it. Oh boy. This is just a snack. This is part of our supper. But I wanted to show you this because I haven't air fried corn on the cob ever that I can remember. This is good. And the butter. Sweet corn. When I was a kid, there was this old guy in a old faded green station wagon, Plymouth, full of corn on the cob, and you hear him coming down the street. Sweet corn, sweet corn. And my grandfather would say, "Here comes that huckster." Never bought enough from him. Sweet corn. So try this in your air fryer and subscribe and stop back, because in a few days I'm going to get a brand new air fryer. I think we have 4 or 5 around here now. I can't keep count, but we're getting top of the line Wi-Fi. You could work it with your phone and everything. There's recipes in there. You can go through, press the button, and it sets it. So you got to stop back for that. So please subscribe. Plus we have a lot of other air fryer recipes and pressure cooker recipes, mower lawn, all that stuff, picnics. Thanks for watching. You gonna make some? You want a piece?
Mm-hmm.
Nah. All right, have a nice day.